opening LOL Surprise Furniture.
Let's open it.
So, I got Sleepy Bones, the doll, and her playset. She got, sorry, I forgot her name.
Let's open.
Teacher's pet and like a school.
Let's open.
Here, let me see what this is. You got Boss Queen. Guys, do you remember our last video that we opened our big, like, OMG dolls? We got them. They're big sisters.
Okay.
So, I'm going to get them in right now. Okay, your hair is crazy, but it's okay. So this is her sister.
Yes.
And that is her sister. So, but I don't have the doll because this OMG doll is still, like, they're still making her or something. I think they already made her, but we didn't get the doll. Yeah, let's just move them off the side because it's not about them.
That's mine.
Okay. Look at this! Look, something's up. Oh my god, you're learning the alphabet. When did you learn? Okay. So, oh my god.
Oh,
sorry, I almost
look.
Oh, so cute. Oh my god, look how cool that is. It's like a locker at school. I think it actually opens. Oh my god. Like, it opens.
It's broke.
Sorry, that's so cool. I'm going to peel them apart so they don't mix things up. Oh, you got a classboard. This is a chalkboard and wait, hold on. Let me make her place that really quick. From our last video, we didn't know how to. You know, we made it with bonbons and another doll. I forgot her name. Okay, guys, make sure not to mix it up. Here, Nadia, I will make her place this first, and then. Oh my God, you got a cute desk. No, if this opens, guys, just like look how detailed. Oh, you got her. Oh my God, she's so adorable. Here, let's put the desk over here so she can learn the alphabet. And oh my God, she needs to get ready for the math test tomorrow. And yeah.
No, she's a teacher.
Oh wow, you got a wheelchair? That's so cool. Yeah, look, here, you got one more surprise. Oh. Here. Oh my God, look how small this is. It says Boss Queen.
Look at this.
Oh, you got her cup. Okay.
The last one.
You got some flowers. She's getting small things, so I'm kind of helping her so she doesn't lose them.
Oh, wow.
That is so cute. Oh, that's a ruler. Good job.
I got a bottle.
I got her shoes. Shoesy. Okay.
Look. I got a bottle.
Oh, wow, it's glittery. Okay, I'm going to start opening mine.
Look.
Here, let's just... Okay, so I always wanted this doll, but I never could get her because the seasons would always like be so quick. And so now it's my time to get like all of her things. Oh, her things almost done. Oh my God. Okay, I didn't open anything yet, so I'm going to just...
Yeah. You're not.
Okay, I'm just doing it so that they don't get anything mixed up, like hers is hers. Okay, so
I can't do coffee.
Show me. There you go. Since they're done, I'm opening them. Okay, I just love them. These are probably my favorite. If you didn't get like them in the eggs, you can find these and you can actually get like the playset. Okay, so I'm opening mine.
What, Natasha?
Hold on, I just need to put everything because I want to keep everything.
Oh,
So cute. Oh my God, I got so many surprises. Okay, I'm going to start off with this one. See what it is? Oh, it's her table that goes in here. Let's see what's in here. Oh, her little cute pajamas. Look at it. This is a little cute skeleton. Instructions we don't need because we already know everything. Look, her little key. These are like bunny slippers. Hold on, let me get this one out.
What?
Yes, they are. It's a bunny
Why
slipper.
two up?
Okay, that's so cute.
I have glasses. That's
Okay.
wrong. I have glasses.
You got glasses?
How
That's so
is
cool.
going to stand?
She can sit in the chair. I'm putting everything in mine so I don't get mixed up with Sophia's things. Oh, why are you eating paper?
No, these are children. Zero.
Yeah, okay, then she can go sit there.
How is she going to
I got
sit?
some popcorn. Like, who doesn't like popcorn?
I like
So-
popcorn.
You forgot to put on her shoes. Here, let me make my playset really quick.
Dress?
Hold on, I don't want to get anything.
Where's dress? I still have a bag.
And here, let's make Sophia's because we didn't do it.
Where's my dress?
Her dress? You lost her dress?
Oh no.
Oh, and here. Okay. Sophia's doesn't want to come out. Oh, it has tape on it, that's why. Okay, so, I really like that it comes with play sets. And it's super cool that it actually like has everything that goes inside there and you can just play with it. You don't need the actual dollhouse. So here you go. Here's your stand.
Mama, you go.
Here, I'll just have her doll really quick and I'll start getting mine. That's mine thing. I couldn't say the word. But I like Sophia's doll. Let's put on her shoes.
And I'm going Peter and the glasses.
Sophia's is
I'm
ready.
going to put it.
So, am I the only one that didn't do anything?
No one has glasses.
Okay, you can put her glasses over here.
Ah, where's Sarah? See me? I'm ready to move on.
Okay, there is not enough room for all of us, but it's okay. We're going to try to deal with it. Okay.
I need one too.
What did I get? I got a little cute lamb. So adorable. I'm going to put it off to the side. Oh, I can be your kid when I get ready, okay? This is all my thing.
I'm ready to finish.
This is probably her bed. This is her little,
Give me my mommy. This one.
here.
Please give me. I need children around this.
Okay, Nadia, can you wait? I will be
This
right with you. I just need to finish my playset because I didn't do anything. Oh my god, I got a cute panda. Guys, I got a cute little panda.
Wow. That's nice.
Now it's put on.
I'm gonna have other working. Okay. I'm gonna got to finish.
Yes.
How are you?
What happened? Nothing. Oh,
You are working. You're mommy.
I don't have mommy. Yes.
Why is red?
Miss Dayanka. It's okay.
Alright, but get the one that goes sissy. Where am I gonna
I really like how they, like each doll doesn't have the same thing. That they're all different and they have like different styles and what they like is different. So like mine is super sleepy. That one's the smart one. I know what this is. This is a tent that goes inside her house. This is what I was mostly excited for, and the doll. Don't forget the doll. Oh, it's okay. Here, let's just sleep.
How good sleep? We're sleeping all the time.
Look, sorry. I was just waiting for this. Oh yeah, good job, Sophia. We're going to put this inside.
Yes, inside. I didn't go sleep.
Hold on, we're going to put it over here because there's a, and this can hang over here. Wait, Nadia, did you take anything on that? It was probably just like that. Okay.
Here's Willow.
We're going to put a little table over here.
Here's Willow here.
Her bottle and some popcorn over here.
Hey.
Yes.
But then I'm gonna get the ring. Wait. I just woke Time to go to school. Hello.
Are you there?
Yeah. I hear. I'm mommy teacher. I'm mommy teacher. What is which one?
I really like that this actually opens and closes. That's so cool.
No, it's true.
This is actually move. Oh my god, this actually moves.
Mommy teacher.
I
No,
mean-
I don't need it. Where's mommy? There's no here, mommy teachers. I don't need you, mom. I'm mommy teacher. Yeah.
Everything cool. It's so cool.
Well, that's it.
Well, that is it, everyone. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you guys next time.